Hey guys, I'm Siddhartha and I'm here with new video trying to answer your questions about why you are not able to go live from this latest updated Musically. Okay, if you don't know the steps how to find if you are able to go or not, if you are able to go live or not, I have already posted a video on how to go live on Musically, so check, just click here and you will find the link, find the video. And another video I posted is about how to save your private videos to your gallery or camera roll. So if you want to see that video, just click here and you'll be directed to that video. So now, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, if you're new and you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon here so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's talk about why we are not able to go live on Musically. This all started when Lively app stopped working. When Lively app stopped working and Musically was updated. So first I want to make you clear that I want to say you that I found that many users were commenting on my last video that maybe because they are new to Musically, or they have less number of user fans, or they have less number of hearts, or and many more, they were saying that because of these reasons they were not able to, maybe they were not able to go live. But I found that this was not the problem, and you want to know how. So let's check out, because I made a video last night, so let's check it out. Okay, let's see it. Okay, here you can see there are two phones. One is Samsung Dios, this is Samsung Dios, and this is Xiaomi 5A. Okay, this is Xiaomi Mi 5A. And here you can see this is Siddharth Podar, this is my user ID, and same ID is on Samsung Dios. I have logged same ID in two different phones, and I'm gonna hit that plus icon in Samsung, and let's hit that plus icon in Mi phone. Okay, now here after hitting that plus icon, you can see it's written go live. If you can see, okay, just a second, if you can see, it's written go live. Here you can see it's written go live and record. Okay okay now let's see in Samsung. Here, let's see another phone, and yeah, okay, just a second. Here you can only find record, there is no go live options there. Many users said that they found this, there is no go live options in their phone. Okay, now let's hit there go live. Okay, and here you can see there is video and live written just in the base of the screen. If you swipe this screen, you can directly go to live and record your video. And let's see if there is anything. No, here here are many users what they found in their phone, there is no live icon in their phone. Okay, so the first phone I showed was Samsung Dios, and another phone is Mi phone. Okay, in Samsung Dios I can't find any icon written live, but in Mi phone I can find live written there and with live icon there. So what's the problem here? So you people must have guessed what's going on here. Same ID, two different phones. One phone we can find the go live icon, and another phone we can't find the go live icon. So don't think that it's because of your username, user ID, less number of user fans, or less number of hearts. It's not because of that, so don't worry about that. I want to tell you about these phones first. My Samsung Dios, I bought it 5 years ago, and it does not have latest updated software. And my Mi phone has latest updated softwares. So what I want to say is, go try updating your phone software. Either it be iOS or be Android. Try updating its phone software. I'm not talking about Musically updating your Musically. I'm talking about updating your phone software. Like we have Oreo, Nougat, and many other things in Android phone. So if you are using Oreo, try updating your Oreo's latest update. If you are using Nougat, if you are using any other software, 5 6 7, any of that, try updating that. And iOS, please go and update it, and try going live after updating your phone software. Maybe the latest updated Musically only supports the latest updated software, because they have missed something in their this latest update, the developer may have missed something. And I hope, if you can't go live after that, then we have only options to keep patience and wait for latest update. So guys, I hope this video helped you and answered your questions. And if you have any questions beside this or related to this, put your questions in my comment box, and I'll try my best to help you with my answers, with my replies. So please drop your comments. And I want to say again, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay guys, bye bye, have a good day, bye bye, and good night whenever you're seeing the video. Okay, bye bye.